right, let me just move this so I made it worse. Okay, regardless, you're gonna be able to see the mess I have, but today's day 3. So I did a little bit of closet. I still haven't addressed like my jeans in that closet. However, I need to check out this closet. I don't think there's gonna be that much stuff in here, because I think a while back I went through my closet, through this closet, and I took some stuff out and they're already in bags. I'll have to take that down, but I'm like really distracted. I'm like in deep into the Risa situation on TikTok. I'm on part 39. Whew, it's good. And actually it's really funny. I wasn't going to watch it because I was like, I have a hard time getting past part like 3 out of like videos, even 2. But my coworker, who is an attorney, she was like, did you see this? And I was like, no. And so then she starts telling me the story, and then I was like, oh. So then when I got home, I was like, I guess we're watching this, and yeah, I'm behind, you know, because it's currently the end of the month of February, and this was like back last week. So the video is dated the 16th, so maybe like a week ago. When I'm behind on the trending, but anywho, yeah, I'm gonna start getting on this because the market is on Sunday and it is currently Thursday, and I don't have all my stuff together. So we're gonna do that while we play Risa in the background. You know, try and get this done. Guess we don't really have that much stuff, so like actually we don't have anything in there. Like I said, I had already run a sweep of the stuff in here a while ago, so it's already in the bag. So what I'm gonna do is I have some things here that I have to put in the closet. I'll put it away, and then I'll bring out all of the bags and kind of sort it out, because the bags have a mixture of things that I can resell and things that definitely cannot resell or that should be donated. So let's do that. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's bags up there. There's a bag right here, and then there's some bags behind this for a reason. So yeah, I'll grab some of this stuff. Actually, these are stuff that needs to be dropped off, like at a fabric donation. Hurting ourselves here. Oh, that's not a good sign. We need a stool. Okay, I'm gonna hush up, put Risa on so I can finish listening to her story. I got this because I believe the Old Navy bag, the bottom is stuck to the thing. Oh well. Things just got spicy, but I don't know if you were able to see me struggling, but here's what we're working with. I don't know if you can see. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 bags. The other bag is just like for the jeans that have like holes. So I have to go through these bags to also determine what has holes and what cannot go, and what can and can't go. So let's go do that as I continue listening to the hot goss. Sorry, had to pause it, but here we are. That's pretty much everything. You know, mentally, this does not seem like too much stuff. I'm trying to organize it as I go, but this is all the stuff that was in my closet that needs to go out. Now, I did take some things out that I specifically was like, oh, I can give it to my sister. Christmas sweater, and then the Logic sweatshirt. I'm just keeping it just for now. And then one thing was in there that wasn't supposed to be there. And then the jeans that have like the thunder thigh holes on them, those went into the closet because I'm not selling those. Those need to be donated. I think American Eagle, if it's still open downtown, I think they take like any old jeans. I think H&M does too. I'm gonna start organizing everything. I do have some jeans that I'm just gonna go ahead and sell. So we're gonna get this organized because I've been putting this off for a while. But I think if I can organize it in like at least a general idea of what, like by category and like price, then that would be perfect. See me because I can't see the viewfinder. It's so teeny weeny. But I have 2 IKEA bags and 1 Old Navy bag. It's not that many. My friend said she had quite a few. So I'm like, either I'm not looking into my closet enough or I don't know. But it is what it is. I mean, eventually I'll probably cycle through my clothes again. But right now I feel like everything that's left is either stuff that I'm like, I would store in my closet, like never use again, but like they're, you know, memories, because I get attached to stuff. But it's not like, oh, it's just any raggedy sweater. It's like, oh, this was like my college sweater or something like that. I did not look at the shoes, but I do have a pair of shoes that I can just take. I don't really wear them. I went through second puberty or at least I call it second puberty. I went through second puberty during the pandemic, so my feet grew. So unfortunately, there's quite a few shoes that I might need to put away. There's also stuff that I just don't use. So let's look at the closet for shoes. And yeah, before the pandemic hit, these were my favorite shoes to wear to work all the time. And then, like I said, my feet grew. So I stopped wearing them, but I used to wear them at work all the time. Probably just sell them so that somebody else can enjoy them. But let me show you the cute pair of shoes. I used to love them. I would wear them, especially on days I had meetings with clients because they were just kind of fancy. R.I.P. Yeah, I think most of the shoes in there that need to go away are shoes that I best wear shoes. And then everything else can be put away. Do I wear all of the shoes? No, I do not. However, I have hopes I will, especially because I have like some sandals or some shoes that I think I have to break in. I'm still delulu about it, but I have a few more days, or like a day more, for the delulu to wear off, and then actually be like, yep, they need to go away. Probably wipe the bottom of those shoes. Anyways, I think I've had enough for today. Maybe tomorrow I'll go through my jeans. But I do want to take a shower. My feet, I feel like I've been on my feet for a while too. So we're just gonna take care of everything, and yep, that's it for today. Good morning. I know I look crazy. I honestly, the outfit choice today, is not outfitting quite well, but I am wearing this really poofy jacket that I got from Target. I don't know how long ago. But it is Sunday morning. It is almost 6:30. My friend is supposed to come pick me up around 6:45. I have all of my stuff. Initially we were like, maybe, you know, she would come and pick it up, like pick up my stuff before the market, like earlier before the market. And then we were like, she was like, well, I can just swing by in the morning because I do live on a very busy side of town, so like double parking is not that fun, and it is a one-way, so one-ways are a little more interesting. So I was like, yeah, it's okay. I'm a little out of it right now because it's really early for me, like for a non-work day. And then yesterday I was like having a rough day sleeping, and this morning I felt bad because I feel like my dog was like really wanting to sleep with me, and I understand like warmth, you know, that's like I always feel bad. I'm like, yeah, I want her to be nice and cozy, but like girl does not let me sleep at night. Like she will take up the whole bed and all of my blankets. And it's not even that she's sleeping underneath the blankets, it's that she's literally on top of them, holding them all hostage. I put her in my bed while I went to like brush my teeth, wash my face. When I came back to take her out, she started growling at me. I'm like, okay, I guess we're both not having that great of a time. Kind of nervous now. Gonna go and eat like a waffle. There's a furball that just been angry. Oh my god, that look. Bring out the camera and it stops raining. Yeah, she probably was living her best life. I just got home from the market. I was wearing a red sweater. I am cold. Unfortunately, it did rain, and right now I'm really red. I think it was like going from being really cold to like having a heater on. But it is raining outside, and I did get wet. And my toes are still recovering. My mom always said, well, not my mom. Well, yeah, my mom, but my grandmother. It was like when you get wet, like if you get like go out in the rain, you get wet, you have to take a shower or else you get sick. So even though I took a shower literally last night, I think I'm gonna take another one just in case. Yeah, because we got soaked. It started pouring rain like at 10 a.m. The market opened at 9. So like around 10 a.m. it was like pouring rain. Like it rained really hard, and it was like coming sideways. So I we moved like some stuff into because we did have a cover, fortunately. And then it stopped, and so my feet were wet, I was wet, sun came out. It was nice for like 2 minutes. It was out for like a little bit, and then it got really cloudy, so it was like cold, and then, you know, still drying from being rained on, and then it started raining again. And then when we left, it was still it was raining again, but not as hard. And then right now I'm like, it's raining again. Mind you, the forecast said no rain, and then it said rain only in the morning. It is like 3 o'clock right now. This is no longer morning time. But my friend, she was like, I'll let you know if we go out for dinner. I'm like, honestly, like if she doesn't reach out for, that's fine. Like I am a little pooped out. It was a lot. I didn't make that much money, which is fine. The whole point was I wanted to get rid of stuff, and I did. I only came back with one bag. Okay, so I only came back with one bag. Oh my god, I am red. My cheeks just won't cool down. I only came back with one bag, and it includes stuff that I'm just gonna try and I guess sell on Poshmark. I've never done Poshmark before, but my friend recommended I give it a try. And then some items that I got from my friend, which includes like workout clothes that didn't fit her. We're gonna give it a shot. I mean, not that I work out, but like I could now that I have the stuff to do it. And then a sweater, and I think some pants, like working pants. But point is, I went with 2 IKEA bags, 1 Old Navy bag, and 1 small bag with shoes. And I came back with a small bag of shoes and then 1 IKEA bag. So we did good, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. Hello. So I forgot to close out yesterday's blog. So I'm gonna do that right now. It is actually Monday and my head hurts. I'm tired. Of course, the ambulance has to start as soon as I turn on the camera. The perks of living in the city, I swear. Just having a rough day, like with work, in the sense of like dealing with very rude, for no reason, like rude person. I was already tired before the phone call because I spent the weekend at the market. My water was shut off from the morning until the afternoon, so I finally have water. So I have the laundry going because I need to do laundry and it takes me forever. So I'm just tired. I'm just annoyed with the day. I will see you in the next one, which should be a weekend in my life, because I am skipping the week in my life because I am already having a headache and it's only Monday. So imagine how I'm gonna be by the end of the week. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.